today I thought we would do something different for a video. As most of you probably know, I love cooking, and I love cooking my own food here because a lot of the desserts and everything, cakes and so forth that you buy here are full of preservatives, and I'm allergic to a lot of them. So today I thought that I would make an apple and peach slice and show you how it's done. So I've already peeled 2 apples. Oh, it's a little bit brown, but that doesn't matter, it's going to be boiled. And yes, my hands are clean. So I'm just going to roughly chop those. Hoping that I don't chop my finger. Okay, so I'll just get a bit of this more off here. Don't want to waste anything. Alright, to that I've got these frozen peaches left over, so I'm just going to pop them in there, and I'm going to fill that with water and boil it until the apples are tender. That's probably enough. Okay. So I'll just put that on to boil. Because we don't get self-raising flour here, we do get all-purpose flour, but I don't think it's really the same. So I'm just using bread flour, and I'm going to add some baking powder, but that's arriving very soon with Lazada, because I looked into the cupboard and there's no baking powder left. So, but we'll continue on, and when it arrives, we'll add it. Fantastic in Thailand, you can just ring up and get it delivered if you've forgotten it. So I've got 2 cups of bread flour. No need to sift it, we don't sift it here. I've got 1 cup of sugar, and I'll put in a good sprinkle of cinnamon. And you don't have to, but I've got some pure vanilla. We can't have fake vanilla because of the preservatives and the additives. So I'll just put that in there. And I've also got 125 grams of melted butter, which I will add to the mixture. Okay, so I'll just stir that. Yep. Okay, just wait now. Okay, just adding an egg, which I nearly forgot. Once we put the apple and the peach in there, that'll just blend the rest of that together.
Is that a gob?
Here comes my baking powder. Brilliant.
Okay.
We got our baking powder, we've added it to our mixture, and I've just cut up the peaches. I've drained the apple and peaches, so I'm just going to add that to the bowl and give that a good mix. So, there's plenty of moisture in there. You don't need to add anything else. Okay, so now I have my lined baking tray, and I'm just going to pour that in there. And spread that all out evenly. Give it a bit of a squash down. And now we'll just get our sugar. And just sprinkle a little bit over the top. Doesn't need that much because it's already sweet enough, but this will just give it a bit of a crunchy top. Okay, so that will go in the oven now for about 30 minutes and then I'll check it. I've just taken it out of the oven and I'll let it cool for a little bit and then put it in the fridge for a while, and then we'll have a taste test. But it looks amazing, even if I do say so myself. It's been in the fridge for a while now, so we're going to cut it. It's cooled down. See how it goes. Piece down there. Look at that. Amazing. So you can have this with plain, or you can add some ice cream to it. It's very delicious, but I'll let Chris decide how it tastes. Okay, Chris, what do you think of that?
Okay, folks, let's have a taste. See, it looks lovely. It's like cake on the bottom.
Yes.
Really is delicious. It's a nice simple recipe that really anyone can make, and it just tastes absolutely fantastic.
And if you want any more recipes or watch me cook, leave a comment below and we'll see how we go. Thank you.